case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1970, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Atlantic Coastline Railroad versus Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineers, which centered around the principle that federal courts cannot interfere with state court decisions, except in specific situations. The issue arose when the Atlantic Coastline Railroad Company, ACL, obtained an injunction against the Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineers, BLE, to prevent picketing at Moncrief Yard, their switching yard in Florida. BLE's attempts to dissolve the injunction proved unsuccessful, leading them to seek a federal injunction against the state court's order. However, this violated the Anti-Injunction Act. This case emerged 2 years after the Supreme Court's decision in the Brotherhood of Railroad Trainmen v. Jacksonville Terminal Company, which recognized unions' right to picket under the Railway Labor Act and found that state court injunctions could not interfere with those rights. Despite this prohibition, the federal court granted the injunction against ACL, preventing them from using the state court injunction. Ultimately, the Supreme Court determined that the federal injunction against state court proceedings was improper and remanded the case for further action. Since the state court's jurisdiction did not hinder the federal courts, an injunction was not necessary. The court resolved doubts in favor of allowing state courts to proceed with determining the controversy.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.